Hello, hi there. Today we're gonna do a different thing. I want to show you how I design my locks. Actually, I'm the one who installed them. I made the locks, installed, and I also keep on styling them. I wash them every 2 weeks. I style on my own. So we'll use different oils, which I usually mix together, and then I heat them in the microwave. Then I apply on my hair. This is called hot air treatment, and I'm going to show you the oils I usually use. I mix 4 of them, sometimes 5. Then I use eco gel to style the hair. So these are the oils. We start with amber oil. This is for dark and lovely. I also mix a few drops of glycerin, castor oil, olive oil from my dill, and also coconut oil. The eco gel is for styling and making the hair firm. So I first of all wash my locks. This time they are very wet, they're even dripping, the water is dripping. So please don't apply the gel if the hair is not wet. So I start by applying the oil, the mixture of the oils I've shown you. Then I hold the hair in a bun. I remove the previous styling and I try to untangle the base of the hair. Then I apply some gel in each and every lock at the base, and then I twist. And remember not to apply on dry hair, it's gonna give a lot of flakes. Then I twist and turn. Then the last lock I use it to hold the rest. For that I move to the next line. Then twist. You can see the hair is coming out very wet because of the gel and the mix of the oils and the water. But this one should not worry you, it's gonna dry up. I use a toothpick to ensure I have a straight line. And also I place a mirror in front of me. These locks, I installed them in January. So they are almost 7 months old and I don't plan to remove them anytime soon. Probably in December, and it's not a must. I'm now done with the second line. And I would insist that before you apply the gel, try and detangle the base. That way you'll ensure that when you're uninstalling the locks, the hair will not have tangled that much. done with the third line. So installing these locks have really helped me save a lot. I made them from kinky, fluffy kinky, and used a crochet, a very tiny crochet, to twist them. I also installed them using a crochet. It's not that easy, but it's worth it. Right now they look like real locks, but still, for the love of my hair, I can't do locks, permanent ones. The whitish stuff should not bother you. After sometimes it's going to dry. Actually, when I tie a piece of cloth on it, one more to go, then I'll have saved a lot. So why not you? You should also try this. You just need deco gel. The one with the red lid is a bit, it's firm compared to the green one. So this took me around 30 minutes or less. And I'm done. So I'm only left with a few. I'm done with the front part, a few at the back, less than 5 or 10. I'm sorted for the next 2 weeks or 3. I use rubber bands to hold it up. I later remove them. They're just helping me to hold it up. Then I take the thread, I make it a double, and I can fold it right. And there I am. So I apply some water in front, and then some gel to lie the edges. If your hairline is a bit weak, please don't try and pull the front part. Mine is okay. Don't have issues with the hairline. And I'm done. So I tie a piece of cloth and give it around 15 minutes or 20 for the gel to dry up. And the 15 minutes are over. It's still a bit wet, but then now the white substance is no more. You can see how clean it is and very neat. So please follow us on YouTube for more of this and more videos. Share and subscribe, and thank you. Bye.